Groq is a big deal. Right now, this new platform is serving up near instant answers for open source models like Mistral by leveraging their new proprietary LPU processor tech. And this real-time capability is going to open up the world to all new use cases for generative AI. I repeat, this is a big deal. So in this video, I'm going to show you what it's all about, why it is a big deal, and why the guys at Nvidia probably are a little scared right now. Let's crack on. So let's start with, why is it able to serve up near instant answers in real time? And to understand this, you need to understand that new technology is being created here. So the team behind Groq has created a new type of processor called language processing unit. And so if you think of blue ocean strategy, these guys have essentially created a new category of processor called LPUs. Right, language processing unit. And right now, it appears to be processing information much faster and more efficiently than traditional GPUs for the end consumer and chatbots like ChatGPT and Bard that are all using GPUs. And I'll show you the speed differential in a minute when we jump into Groq platform, which is leveraging these LPUs. And so really, if this underlying processing hardware takes off, this could mean a big deal for the guys at Nvidia, because the demand for GPUs right now is driven by the AI wave. And well, if LPUs can deliver this processing power at a cheaper price point, well, damn, let the games begin. So let me just quickly show you the website, and then I will show you a quick comparison between ChatGPT and Groq, so you can see the speed differential, and then I'll give you a walkthrough of the platform, the different things you can currently do. All right, so this is Groq. This is their website. You can see here, Groq is on a mission to set the standard for Gen AI inference speed, helping real-time AI applications come to life today. If you want, you can jump in here and you can read some of their FAQs around what the LPU is in a bit more detail, why is it so much faster than GPUs for large language models like ChatGPT, Mistral, etc. How do I get started, etc. So this is their why Groq, really clear, compelling. I've kind of given you the synopsis. Why Groq? It's quicker. It's a faster processor right now, and I'm about to show you what that looks like. But before I show you that, you can come into the About Us section here if you want to learn a bit more around the team. Really star-studded team. Jonathan Ross, the CEO, huge reputation, a real thought leader in this space, pioneering this new technology. If you come down to the bottom here, you can see some of the investors. This is the who's who of the investing VC world. This is a credible team here that are doing some really important work, and you'll soon see how powerful it is, what they've actually built. Okay, so let's quickly dive into a demo, and I'll show you how quick this is. Okay, so let me come in here. So this is Groq, and this is ChatGPT. All right, and what we're going to do here is we're going to give the same prompt for Groq and the same prompt for ChatGPT, and I've got 4, ChatGPT 4, and we'll see how quickly it takes to generate. So the prompt I'm writing here is write a 750-word essay on why following your passion is a recipe for disaster. And I'm going to put this here too. All right, I'm going to hit this in ChatGPT, and then I'm going to hit this here. Can you see? It just finished that response in Groq. And ChatGPT, when you watch this back, I'm pretty sure we got a response in Groq that was complete by the time ChatGPT even started to answer it. And it's still going, and it's still going to be going. And you know what? I could wait till the end of this response for ChatGPT, but I think you get the point. That was wildly quicker Groq. And this is the power of the LPU, right? This new technology, this new processing technology that they've created. It makes a difference. So this is just one kind of prompt in, and look how much time I've saved by using Groq. Now, if you amplify that over a day, a week, a month, all the time savings by using this LPU, super powerful. All right, let me just stop this. It still haven't finished. All right. So you can see how quickly that was. Up here, you can see the tokens per second it was processing at. So 529, that is super quick, right? But even if you don't really care about tokens and you just want to see how quickly the answers came through, well, damn, there you go, right? Like if you don't care about tokens, what does the token mean? Doesn't matter. Ignore the number. You can just see from the end user perspective how quick that was, all right? And that was down to the LPUs. So what are some things you can do on this platform right now? So there's a bit. So right now, one of the cool little features that has, so right now you can change the model. So right then, I was using Mistral. I could have done this again with Llama, but Mistral, so you can change the model. It's one thing you can do with the Groq platform. It's got this little modifier capability, which I quite like. So it's giving me 750 word essay. But what if I want to turn this into a table, which is probably not what I really wanted to do. But how quick was that? Or if I want to turn this answer into bullet points, or if I want to turn this answer into 3 sentences. So I want a summary, right? I'm going to stop that. You can see how quick that is. Like this is crazy speed. It's really wild. Like I'm still kind of taken aback by how impressive this is speed-wise. I'm trying to figure out like what's the catch. What else can you do in the Groq platform right now? You can come up here. You can do a system prompt. So this is kind of like ChatGPT. They've got a system prompt capability. So like a system prompt example, I could say, please try to provide useful, helpful, and actionable answers. That could be one. But I could write something like, I'm from Australia. Can you please make sure all answers come back in British English, and not American English? I think you get the point. You guys would be familiar with this capability from ChatGPT, but this is essentially like a prompt that, an instruction that will go across all the different prompts that you put in. All right. It's got API. So this is really powerful when you think about developers and things that you can build on top. So the fact that we're now getting like near instant real-time answers, all sorts of new use cases are going to come up. So they've got an API that can use this kind of underlying LPU technology. So that's super powerful for developers, and I'm sure this is a exciting development for a lot of developers out there. And if you want to play around with some more advanced settings, you can come in here and you can change the token output, the temperature, etc. So this is obviously a bit more advanced. I probably encourage the average person not to play around with this, but if you know what you're doing, you can come in here. So right now, speed-wise, if you're looking for speed and you're just trying to get stuff out fast, this is a no-brainer for Groq. Right now, it doesn't have access to the internet, so that's a bit of a, bummer, but I'm sure at some point this platform will bring in real-time internet access. It doesn't have stuff like GPTs, like ChatGPT does, but like I said, the real use case right now is all around speed. If you're looking to, generate output that's going to take a couple minutes in ChatGPT, you might as well be in Groq and playing around in this platform, right? So as you can see, guys, powerful stuff here. I highly encourage you guys to have a play around, have a go, try it out. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Your feedback means the world to me. Until next time, have a good day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.